In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wix website from scratch. Whether you're setting up a personal blog, an online portfolio, or your own e-commerce store, this guide will walk you through each step to help you get started with Wix. First, head over to Wix.com and navigate to My Sites. Once there, you'll see an option to Create New Site. Go ahead and click that. You're about to start the journey to build your own website. Next, you'll be taken to the Wix Editor selection screen. Here, you want to click on Create on Wix Editor. This powerful tool is where you can truly customize and craft your website according to your vision. At this point, you'll be asked to set things up. If you prefer to bypass the chat assistance option, simply choose Set up without chat. This allows you to streamline the process and keep control over the setup details. Now, think about the type of website you want to create. You'll need to type in this information. It could be anything from an online shop to a personal blog. Once you've entered your website type, click on Continue. Wix will then guide you to the next phase, where you'll click on Design Site. This will lead you into choosing a template that forms the base of your site's layout and appearance. When you get to the template selection, click on Pick a Template. Here, you'll browse through various design options. Choose a template that resonates with your brand or style. This is important because it sets the tone for your website's aesthetic. After you select your preferred template, click on Edit to begin customizing it. In the Wix editor, click on Add Elements to start bringing your site to life. Here, you can add text, images, and other interactive features, essentially anything you think will enhance your website, or representing your brand or services. Then, you might want to incorporate specific sections to organize your content better. Click on Add Section to effortlessly build out parts of your site like image galleries, service lists, or testimonials. The Pages and Menu option is next, enabling you to organize and manage your website's navigation structure. This will ensure that visitors can easily find their way around your site. In the Site Design area, explore different themes, color schemes, and font styles to align with your brand's personality. Adding apps is another excellent way to enhance functionality. Clicking on Add Apps opens up a world of third-party tools like booking systems, social media integration, or e-commerce capabilities that can add powerful features to your site. Lastly, the Media section is where you determine your multimedia content. Here you can upload your own photos, videos, or audio clips, or choose from a vast library available within Wix. With these steps, your Wix website will become a fully functional site tailored to your own specific needs, ready to go live to the world. Happy building!